Hello guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm going to go turn on my light, and I will be back. There we go, I got my light on. I have more of these, but I'm not allowed to get them out, so yeah. Let's start off with the first one. The first one is a yellow fidget spinner. Let's get this open. Yellow. So, I got a yellow one. So, yellow one. I'm gonna put that back in the case. And red. I got tons of other ones, but I can't show them right now. I may share them on my other unboxing videos. And I may go get it if I can find them. So I'll see you guys when I find them, if I can. If I can't find them, then I will have to end the video. I cannot find them right now, guys. I'm gonna have to pause the video, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I unpaused the video. Now, finally, I got them. Blue. Let's get them all out. White. Lime green. And black. I'm going to show you guys this one. That's the blue. That was the blue.
Thinking, my God, we're going to go home and everything's going to be annihilated.
That's the black one. There's something wrong with the lime green one. I don't know why, but I think this was replaced. Because you would not think this would ever happen. That and that. Someone probably returned them. So, yeah. So then, there's that one. And then here's the white one.
You know what I do? I have a glass thing with a thing. You put the crowns in the bottom, pour water that's just pour bottles into it. Sit the thing on top of the wait 5 minutes, and it's called French press. There's a basic French press. You cannot beat all.
That's all of them. Then I just showed you this. And I am just going to show you my red one. I just showed you both of them. So now, I gotta put them back in.
What it is apparently it builds up something in the food. You have to run a big food with it. It builds something up and it won't work. Is that what it is? Yeah. It kept breaking hers, and the one day I looked online and said, here, put this in a different water. He tried it and it worked every time.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoy my unboxing fidget spinners video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next unboxing video.